welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions error. Sometimes you may run into an issue where you can't change the date and time zone on your device. Users see an error message saying this time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions in the date and time settings of the device. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So if you see the wrong time on your iPhone or iPad and you go to settings, then go to general, scroll down and choose date and time option. As you can see, it is unable to change it. So I am going to tell you how can you fix. The first step is to ensure that your iPhone or iPad has the latest version of iOS and iPadOS. For this, go to settings, scroll down, go to general option, then choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. After ensuring your device is up to date, restart your device. To restart your device, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and then press the power button. Next, slide to power off, then wait for some time and then press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is check location services. Ensure that your location services are enabled and working. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Then tap on location services at the top. Next, tap on location services toggle button to enable it. And you are done. And the next step is check screen time and other restrictions. If the screen time occur restrictions or parental control is enabled, you will be prevented from manually adjusting the time zone. Furthermore, if your device includes a profile with restrictions, this sync may not be available. If you have enabled screen time with a passcode, iOS will prevent you from changing the time zone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to screen time option. Next, scroll down. Here you can see lock screen time settings. This will say change screen time passcode. If you have enabled it, turn it off. Choose turn off screen time passcode from the pop-up. And then it will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode. And you are done. And the next step is turn off VPN. Go to settings, scroll down, go to general option, scroll down to the bottom and choose VPN and device management. Then tap on VPN, then tap on its toggle button to disconnect it and you are done. Now you can check if your issue is resolved. Go to settings, scroll down, go to general option, scroll down, choose date and time option. As you can see, issue is fixed and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions error. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.